I'm going to fit this coax plug to this coax socket simply by using this pin. Now, first thing I'm going to do is put the screw cap on and then the clamp. Clamp just needs to go on for a couple of millimeters, and then you need to put the insulation pin on. Now you line it all up. Now if you can subscribe, that'd be great. It will help my channel. So the next thing we need to do is then hold the body in place and screw the cap on tight. It needs to be tight so it can actually dig into the outer insulation. When you've done that, push the pin through the hole that's on the base of the plug, push it down hard, and that will then go inside the middle and join up with the pin in the middle with the core. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if it has helped you, please share, like and subscribe.